Here's the latest on xtalks.com. The health food trend went mainstream primarily because of the millennial consumer demographic. However, healthy food manufacturers might be missing out on the significant number of consumers that are over 50 years old. A recent survey finds that consumers over 50 are interested in eating healthy. However, they face several barriers that prevent them from changing their lifestyle habits. Will this new survey inspire health food manufacturers to produce products specifically designed for older consumers? Hello, I'm Nima Rajan, editor and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is using the industrial Internet of Things technology to reduce the risk of pest issues in food manufacturing. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. The survey, conducted by the International Food Information Council Foundation, was comprised of 1,032 Americans over 50 years old, with household incomes that are under $35,000. The report found that this demographic is interested in eating well and having a healthy lifestyle, but they face challenges such as cost barriers, accessibility, physical ability, and lack of knowledge, according to the report. However, Alex Lewin-Zwerdling, Vice President of Research and Partnerships at IFIC, believes that such barriers offer an opportunity for healthy food manufacturers. However, food companies need to change their millennial-targeted marketing techniques in order to appeal to the values and preferences of this older demographic. An important factor to consider when developing products for older consumers is the key messaging of products. According to IFIC's research, consumers over 50 would like to eat well, but not because they're concerned about weight management. Instead, they actively look for foods that can help them prevent diseases and health issues in the future. In particular, consumers over 50 are concerned about cardiovascular health, brain function, and muscle health and mobility. Lewin-Zwerdling also mentioned that Americans over the age of 50 prefer fact-based marketing initiatives over quality of life and accessibility messages. This means that health food companies should focus on marketing ingredients that have been proven to have positive effects on the body. By putting these proven results on product labels, food companies have a higher chance of attracting older health-focused consumers. The 50 years or older consumer demographic in America consists of up to 81.3 million baby boomers and 65.6 million Gen X consumers, which means they hold a lot of buying power. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured food webinar for this episode, using the industrial Internet of Things technology to reduce the risk of pest issues in food manufacturing. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.